what's obviously so important to us, is our people, whether that be, our craftspeople on the floor, our staff, with all of you here, our wonderful owners. So that focus on our people is really what drives the whole company and just what keeps us going around. What we're all obviously here to see this weekend is our 3 global launches, which has been a long time in the making. Very excited to have the 3 new models at the show. As we said, it's definitely a first for Maritimo.